Hey guys, Zach. So the Amazon just came. I ordered a package. I've never gotten a cube from Amazon. Okay, my first ever cubes were from Amazon, but I've never gotten like a serious speed cube from Amazon. So I'm gonna go pick that up and I'll see you in a sec. Go. Alright, now that we got the tripod set up, let's get into the main attraction. Began Air SM. I'm actually really happy we have the Christmas box because that is cool to have. So yeah, let's get this open. There is the puzzle. So yeah. Here's the bag. Here are the GES nuts. So let's get these open. Okay, so here are the nuts. They kind of fell apart in there. Alright, I actually forgot to turn my light on, so sorry for the first part of the video not having the light. Here it is. By the way, I think the blue GS nuts, yeah, the blue GS nuts are what's in the puzzle right now. So here are all of the nuts. We got the tensioning tools, all of that. So that is awesome. Now let's move on to what else is in the box. So we got just the little pamphlet and the game credit card thing. So should open if I do that. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, I really love the shades on these game puzzles. They're super nice. Here is the GAN Air SM. So yeah, I don't have my mat with me, so I can't really do like the time thing because I'm using my phone to record. So let's just do first turns. Really, really fast. Wow. So it's really quiet. Let's just do a quick solve. It's super, super quiet. Like I can just feel like it's definitely dry, but I think like if I lubed it, it would be so much better. The magnets are really nice strength. So let's get this open and see the mechanism. So here is the honeycomb design that everyone has been talking about. You can see it there. And let's take a look at the corner. The inside pieces are primary. So here is the corner with the honeycomb design. The screw in there. And obviously, like most cubes nowadays, it is magnetic. So we can just slide, put these pieces back in here. I would definitely, if you want to buy this puzzle and you haven't, I would definitely recommend getting it from Amazon. It's so much cheaper and the shipping is just pretty incredible. And it's the correct puzzle, so it's not like you're getting worse quality because you're getting it from Amazon. So yeah, super nice. Definitely great puzzle. Most likely will be my main. I'll probably have that decision made after I finish playing with the GES system and stuff. But for now, super nice puzzle. See you guys next time. Bye.